When you purchase products from American Autowire, it's important to verify that you have received the correct merchandise and also to make sure all contents are in the box. But we understand that sometimes you can make purchases well in advance of your bill date. So, as soon as you receive our product, you should make sure you know what's in the box. When you open your kit, the first thing you should see is the warning page. You'll know it by the large stop sign in the top left corner. This page will outline if there is any specific equipment this kit does not support. Please read it carefully to make sure you have purchased the correct kit for your build. Once you've read the warning page, flip it over to view the contents page. This will give you a list of everything that comes in the box. Go down the list and verify that all components are in the box. In this example, we are using a Classic Update Kit for a 1967 to 1968 Chevy Camaro. If there are any discrepancies with incorrect or missing parts, stop your installation and notify the supplier you purchased the kit from. If you have placed a direct order with American Autowire and have ordered or received the wrong product, please contact us immediately.